Hello, this is Ethan from Qingdao TNT Homewares. Today, I'd like to share our fabric collection for you. They are made from cotton canvas, so its touch is very soft and comfortable. After investigating the new trend from Yin's Facebook and local store, we designed these irregular stripe patterns for this collection. And we have more fabric swatches for you. You can see from the camera. This one can be used for Halloween festival. This one is good for girls. This pattern is very popular in Spanish, France, and Australia. This leaf pattern is very popular in UK, and the golden foil looks very shiny. This is our new design, repeat leaf. Of course, if you have your own patterns, you can share with us your artwork. We can print it on the fabric. Now, let's check the sample from this hamper. The inside material of the hamper is cardboard, and we used cotton rope handles for easy carrying. This hamper measures 45, 33, and 55, so it provides ample space for your dirty laundry. And the lid design can keep your laundry out of sight. When you're using it, you just put down the cardboard. Then the structure can support your storage. After you using it, you just pick up the cardboard. Then you can fold it like this. Because it can be foldable, so it saves large space for your bathroom. For the retailer, a 40 container can load around 4,000 pieces.